Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So glad you can join me today. And for today's video, it's going to be very simple, but sometimes it's not intuitive. I'm going to replace the LCD battery on the speedometer screen of the Husqvarna 701. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I started seeing a battery symbol flashing every time I'm riding, and at first I thought, oh, so my bike battery is probably low. So what I do is I always plug it in with a battery tender at home, because I do have two bikes. So I ride the other bike and then I ride this bike, so I don't ride one bike in particular more often than the other. So I thought, oh yeah, it's the battery. But after a while I'm thinking, it's not my battery, because the battery tender says that it has full charge. So at some point I was trying to think, I should go look at the manual and see what they mean by that. And this is what the manual shows. So I looked up speedometer, and that symbol was flashing on my speedometer screen. And instinctively, I automatically assumed it was my bike battery, but I didn't know that the speedometer has its own battery. So here it just says, okay, change the battery. No other information. Does not tell you what it is, what kind of battery you need to replace it. So the only way to find out is to open it up, which is easy anyway. We will remove the headlight shroud and figure out what battery we need to replace it with. So first we will remove the screws for the headlight shroud, which is a T30 Torx on both sides. So let's do the top part first. And the last one here. And it just pulls off easily. And here you can see there's two tiny screws. I think they use a T20 Torx. We'll try it out. For this side, because it's where the wiring harness bundle is at, it's hard to get to, so I had to use a extension. Otherwise I can't reach it. After removing the two screws there, it's plugged in here, so I didn't need a flathead. Sometimes when it's so old and there's like dirt and stuff on the locks, you can help yourself removing I don't know what this thing is called, this module, on any module like that with a flathead, but this one didn't need it. Now we should just be able to pull this off straight up. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to look through the GoPro to see if you can view what it says. But it says right here that the battery it uses is CR2032. So we're gonna remove it. It's just twist it counterclockwise. So I'm just gonna replace this battery. That's what it looks like inside. Here's the new battery. Just goes in like that. The black cover goes over it. Really easy. And clockwise to tighten. And there you go. So that low battery sign shouldn't appear anymore, because that is a brand new battery. Through the hole here like that, and the two screw mounts go through the rubber grommet, and that's it. So I'm just gonna plug this back in. Hear the click. Done. I'm gonna cut the zip tie off. I just couldn't get into that angle without. I have to get up there in this angle, and I don't want to do it angled differently because it might lead to stripping the threads. Let's see if I have a better position now. Yep, way better. Alright. Just re-zip tie this bundle here. And put the headlight shroud back. I'm gonna put them back lightly on all three of them before I tighten them down. Get them snug here. And for the last one, and that's it. Definitely one of the most, I don't know if it's the most, but it's definitely one of the easiest DIY I've ever done for the bikes, for any bikes. And I hope it was useful information. It sure was for me, because this whole time I thought it was my battery that was low in power, but it's actually just the LCD speedometer screen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, ride safe. Bye.